use their primes because they fucking watch YouTube. Oh my god! This window is so fucking clean. I ran into it, man. Dude, I'm so used to everything being dirty.
Here's how we're gonna fix it. I'm going to start a donation goal tomorrow. Well, I'm probably not gonna be on tomorrow, but I'm gonna start a donation goal next time I'm on, and we will buy a majority share in Blizzard stock, and we will make the game go the way that we want. I will start the donation goal at $2.3 billion, okay? And we will buy the company and we will make it go the way that we want it to. That's all. All right, boys. This is it. We solved the problem. We're gonna make this shit go the way that we want it to, okay? That's it.
Where's the tank? I'm scared.
How many dudes they
Behind
got
you? Oh god! What the fuck?
We need more RAM? Okay, I'll just go down to him, fuck it. How much time do we need, boys? How much do we need, boys? Okay, dude.
Come on! Why is he doing that? Stop! What the? What? What? Stop! I'm not doing this! I swear to God I'm not! Stop! I'm unplugging my controller. It's... Cry? Do I still have Parsec open?
Yeah, sorry.
You motherfucker!
That was scary.
You, god damn it!
Okay, you get back to your game.
You son of a bitch!
Okay. We have our winner, everybody. Congratulations to Slurpee. Ah, I was baited! Ah, what the fuck?
You guys do shit like that. I have to close it. Now I can't talk to you guys. So there's no point. There's no point in fucking talking to you guys if you only do some smash spam like fucking retards.
We're not low.
My space bar is broken.
Alright.
It's actually better now. Thank you.
What you say, man?
Is it accelerating to catch me right now? Holy shit, it is. I literally can't lose. Hang on. What? Did I hit a street lamp?
Yeah! History coming at you live! Aim for that flip! Sick reload. What? What the fuck? Wait! What the fuck?
It's my first time in LA, so I'm just trying different stuff. Yeah.
Want to try a pizza then?
Yeah, let's try a pizza. Why not? You down to try a pizza?
Yeah, I want the white one.
The white one?
Oh, the what? Garlic?
Yeah, the white pizza. Wait, this is your place? You're the manager here?
I'm the store manager.
Oh, nice.
So you want a small for you guys, or you want a big?
Will you have some?
I'll have a bite.
Medium is fine.
Medium? You got it?
There's gonna be a medium white pizza.
You got it. Just if you guys want something to drink, just pay for the drinks. I'll
Okay.
take care of you guys with the pizza, okay?
Wait, you're gonna pay for my pizza? Dude, they're gonna pay for my pizza, dude. Hey, wait, what's your name, man?
Luis.
Lewis. Yo, everyone get a Lewis heart in the chat, all right? I want him to see I want to see him, dude. He's hooking me up with the pizza right now. Wait, he's actually hooking us up with the pizza.
Is he trolling? I can't tell.
That's no, he's really.
Like thin or the thin crust?
You want thin or thick?
Thin.
You guys got it.
Look, they're spamming hearts for you. Look at that. Lewis Hart. Yeah, it's you, bro. Thank you, man.
That's a better word for it.
Watch this. You want to say shadow? Want to say shadow? Want to see what shadow looks like?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll show you what shadow looks like.
Right here, ready? Huge! Oh my god! Holy shit, man! Yo! Oh my
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
Huge! Oh my god! Jesus Christ,
Balls.
Penis. Fucking normies.
You want, can I get it?
Sure, want it?
I get the fire one.
Come here, come here.
Nice. What the fuck? This looks like a giant kitchen knife.
It's like a like. Holy shit! Combo stutter, dude. What the fuck?
I'm gonna do it right now. Fuck it. League of Legends is the best game. What is it? Wait. Let me read it again. Okay. League of Legends is the best game out there. Anyone who denies is wrong. Give me the fucking mount. No, give me the fucking mount right now. Alright? Give me the fucking mount.
I didn't know there was an entrance there. I didn't know that. I didn't play the map enough. I didn't know you could go in there. I thought you could hang in the wall. I didn't shut out the whole thing, dude. Come on, shut it up, dude.
Drop it.